Snip. Before we go on, this is the Snip team. I'm Leonard.
I'm Yash.
I'm Hui.
And then Richie.
Okay, the Snip logo motto is "You can do it." So we have a few problems. Current hairstyle apps are not suitable. You can't determine the suitability of the hair, and if you want to change the style or color, you're not able to do so or see yourself even before you do so. They have design limitations, which limits you to do more than one things. Like you can color your hair, you can't do that on other software. And you need to have 4 different apps to solve one problem. And this leads with cluttered screen, because the thing is that if you have 4 different apps to solve one problem, it's not efficient enough. And this leaves cluttered screen, and most of the time you don't even want to use it. So what is Snip?
Thank you.
Snip is a cutting-edge mobile application that makes use of augmented reality technology to change your hair, and using auto phase shift detection technology to make the hair look natural. So you can test different hairstyles or hair colors to see which suits you the best. And the best thing is you get a 360-degree view of it. So these are features of Snip that makes us different from our competitors. We have hair gossip. This is where you see over there we have David Beckham. That's hair gossip. That's where you can find all the latest celebrity hairstyles and you can try them on, and there's like a write-up on it. And also salons nearby. This will allow us to find salons nearby where it's a Google map and you can find like landmarks. And finally, secret sauce. So what is the secret sauce? The secret sauce that sets us apart from all the other competitors out there is that we have this Love That Hair social networking. It's a totally new hair networking website that focuses on hair only, and it's called Love That Hair. So people all around the world can upload pictures of themselves and write what's their hairstyle, which stylist they got it from, which salon, and they can like, they can follow, and they can comment. So it's all Twitter integrated and Facebook integrated. So the beauty of social networking is there. And then the other things that make us special is that add-ons. We have facial hair, means we can partner with Gillette to do that, and we can do grooming for facial hair, and styling tips. How you can style your mustache, how you can style your facial hair. Facial hair, because most of us as guys, we grow up most of the time without our dads teaching us how to shave our mustache, how to groom our facial hair, so this bridges the gap. And also video tutorials, how you can style your hair and everything else.
So, our target audience is basically going to be composed of businesses as well as end consumers. First part of business to consumer, that's our primary model. We target 15 to 30-year-olds because of a common phenomenon that's prevalent in society. Essentially, 40-year-olds want to look like 30-year-olds, and 20-year-olds want to look a little older, like 15, 16-year-olds, because they think it's cool. So when we target 15 to 30-year-olds, we're directly targeting them, but indirectly targeting all those who yearn to be in that age group. And this is the consumer market for business to consumer model. Now, business to business will essentially come in our second stage after we have enough users in the first 6 months, targeting about 10,000 users. This will be tied up with popular chain hair salons like Tony and Guy, etc. etc. Since the App Store and the app market can be either on iOS or Android or OB, we decided to conduct a market research on which one is more preferable for us. As you can see here, Apple has by far the most number of apps in its App Store, 300,000. Nokia, 130,000, Android 25,000, BlackBerry 80,000. But we choose 2 out of these, which are Apple and Android. Reason being simple, Nokia, though it has more than Android, is not a growing market. Moreover, BlackBerry is also not a growing market. Android is the fastest growing market, however, Apple has the largest number of apps currently. Hence, both of these are our main targets. But streamlining further down, we move on to see that on the Apple App Store, people spend more amount of time using the apps. Over here it shows playing games, but this is a general indicator that shows people spending more time with Apple's apps than Android's apps. Secondly, we showed you in the previous slide the games being used because our category product comes in entertainment and lifestyle. And hence it's popular too. So by seeing the games indication of how much usage is there, we can somehow estimate that entertainment is not too far behind. Because this survey shows that out of the entire people surveyed, 93% use games, 87% people use entertainment, and so on and so forth. Hence, we choose iOS because 1, it's a bigger market, 2, there are more people using it for a larger number of time, and 3, our entertainment really suits the Apple image. And by this, we inherently target 3 different products of Apple, which use the iOS, the iPad, the iPhone, and the iPod. This is our target market.
So, should we make people pay for our app, or should we make our app downloadable for free? Well, as this picture has shown, the top 5 most popular free apps are mostly social networking sites, like Facebook, and all-time most popular paid apps are mostly games, Angry Birds, Pet, and Doodle Jam. The average price paid for a game is $1.06, and average price paid for an ad is $2.27. Well, here shows what apps are people paying to download. 93 of the app downloaders are willing to pay for games, while only 76 are willing to pay for new apps. So, as there are at least 24% of people who are willing to pay for new apps, we should make our app free so that everyone is interested in it.
So how are we going to make money? Okay, so first we're going to have in-app advertisements, which will be mostly hair related. And we'll also be having, we'll have this thing where the consumer can unlock premium features in the app. So there will be certain hairstyles where we pay maybe 99 cents for maybe a package of 5 different hairstyles. And we'll be getting commissions from this thing called Salon Nearby, where we'll be promoting, sort of advertising the salon, and based on how many customers go to the salon through our ad, the salons will be paying us a commission of a certain percentage. And the last one is the vanity trove concept, where consumers will subscribe to our vanity trove, and every month we'll be giving them an array of products, which we'll be getting from businesses when they give out samples. So our marketing strategy is, our first stage will be we'll be trying to build a customer base of 10,000 users in 6 months. And after that we'll go on to stage 2, where we'll be targeting businesses or the salons, mostly chain salons, and we'll be selling them customized versions of our app, and we'll be doing this for 6 months. After which we'll move on to stage 3, where we'll be expanding worldwide. So our main theme is change. We'll be having promotional activities where one year will be broken into 4 quarters. And the first quarter will be focusing on change, where we'll have people using our app before the launch at a busy place like Orchard Road, and we'll be approaching passersby to get them to try our app and maybe persuade them to download it when the app launches. Then quarter 2 will be tying in with Fashion Week, to advertise our brand name. And quarter 3 will be hair on the go, where we'll be having hair stylists at public places like the MRT or on the bus, so it's like on the go. And then quarter 4 will be Rescue Your Hair, where we'll be raising awareness on how to manage your hair, because usually at the end of the year, people's hair will be more damaged after all the dyeing or like styling that they've done. Yeah.
So, let's hear what they say. There are 2 leading stylists who have been overseas
Leonard, I thought you could hear what she said.
Okay, he was actually talking to me about how he liked this idea and how he can actually generate more income through this app. We are the cut above the rest.